keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3rd, subject English Prose, lesson number 14. I would like to be a lighthouse. Let's learn a poem today. I would like to be a lighthouse. In this poem, the poetess wants to be a lighthouse. What is this lighthouse and why do you think she wants to be a lighthouse? Let's learn in this poem. Have you seen this tower anywhere? Yes, children, this tower you find on the shore or on seabed. It's a lighthouse. In today's age, the radio, TV, mobile phones, internet, satellite services, many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. But in the olden days, this tower, called the lighthouse, with a bright light at the top, helped the ships at sea to navigate or travel over the sea to find their way across the sea. Here in this poem, I would like to be a lighthouse. Let's see what the poetess says. Let's recite the poem. I would like to be a lighthouse. I would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I would like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. I would like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. In this stanza, the poetess would like to be a lighthouse scrubbed. Scrubbed means washed and cleaned, and painted white means painted with white paint. So, what does the lighthouse look like? The lighthouse is scrubbed and painted white. I would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, just as the lighthouse during the night time throws out the flashes of light. The poetess says that she would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. Let's see in the next two stanzas why she wants to stay awake all night. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. To keep my eye on everything here means to watch carefully everything that sails my patch of sea. My patch of sea means the area of the sea. Here, the lighthouse with its flash of light watches the ships that travel in the area of sea around it in order to help the ships sailing there to find their safe way towards the port. And all the ships watch out for the lighthouse to get warning signals to find their way ashore. It also warns that there are dangerous rocks under the sea. Here in this stanza, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea, the poetess too wants to watch the ships that sail in the area of the sea near her. I would like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. In this last stanza, the poetess ends by saying again that she would like to be a lighthouse and have all the ships watching her.
Children, that's all in this session today. We will meet again next time. Until then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.